got done checking the oil in the Crown Victoria. As you see, I did wipe it down. There was a lot of pollen everywhere. It's, like, see, that's right there. But for the most part, it's cleaned up. The oil pretty good. Coolant check. Belt. I think I'm gonna replace this belt after a while. We'll see, cause it be squeaking sometimes. Look like it's still in good shape. Let's go ahead and crank this bad boy up. See what we got. I did clean out the inside. So let's see, go ahead and crank that bad boy up. 118,000 miles. I still have to reset the check engine light and go from there. But yeah, so we cleaned the car up. Got a little back seat finally clean. I don't think I ever showed you guys the back seat. Maybe the first time I had the car. On that, got everything cleaned up. You hear that belt squeak? Yeah. We're going to have to replace that belt. On that, man, look at the wood grain. The wood. Come on now, this is an Interceptor with the wood grain trimming in the car. And the cool thing about this wood grain, look how wide, look how much you get. Like, this is a big piece of wood grain. Most cars give you like probably this top strip would be wood grain, but this, look at that. But right now, so what we're finna do is go over here to the rental car, get everything out of the rental car, put back into the Crown Victoria. Just gotta drop this rental car back off because we went and bought a Chevy Blazer. Yep, a Chevy Blazer that we're gonna bring back to life. Now this will be the first, is this the first Chevy on the channel? I believe it is. This will be the first Chevy on the channel. We're just gonna basically bring it back to life and send it to a new home. So yeah, I'll show you guys that in a second. Once I pull the car around, then we'll go back, look at the Blazer. I did a quick wash of it, just washed it off last night. I have been sitting for a while, so it's super, all that stuff that falls on it from sitting up. Went and got it, and I'll tell you guys the story of the going to get it, which took all day. I had it planned to just only take a few hours, but it took all day long. I didn't make it back to that night. I started early that morning, didn't make it back tonight. So yeah. All right, so let me let the Crown Vic warm up, pull it around, get all this. I'm gonna show you guys the rental car too, and then we're gonna go ahead and check out the Blazer. Let's see if that was enough. All right, we are in the Ford Fusion. Now this is a fully loaded, this is the premium package. This is top of the line Ford Fusion that they make. It has every gadget that you can pretty much think of, from the heated cooling seats to the heated steering wheel. It also has the lane assist, all the gadgets that they put in cars nowadays. So I rented this vehicle here to go get the Blazer, or to drive up to make sure I was able to pick up the Blazer. The Crown Vic, if you watched the last video, I had to go to the shop, and so I had to take the Crown Vic back to the shop again. So therefore, I was forced to rent a vehicle. All right, here we have it, the Chevrolet Blazer. Remember, this is the first Chevy vehicle on the channel. And here we go. This is a 95 model. You see the threads are pretty good. They do need to be changed. There are a few, they look like they're about dry rotted, but still in pretty decent shape. It has all black interior, leather seats. It is a Chevy Blazer LT. So right now I'm working on just getting it cleaned up. Trying to bring it back to life. It actually cranks right up on the first start. We're gonna go ahead and do a walk around. Now this Blazer here came in red. And I'm not a big fan of the red. To me, it draws too much attention. Red in general, just a bright color. But hey, we're not gonna keep this vehicle. We don't plan on keeping it that long. We're just gonna bring it back to life and keep it rolling. Overall, pretty nice looking vehicle for its age. Leave down in the comment section below. Let me know what you think of the Blazer. If you know anybody who owned a Blazer. This is what it looked like when we first had to pick it up. Just super dusty, paint's faded. We're gonna try to do some buffing and bring that paint back out. This is the original view of it. Now the Blazer has been sitting for a minute. They did put a new belt, new alternator. I just put a brand new battery in it. Like I said, it cranks right up. So just pretty much needs an oil change. Everything else works. AC works, heat works. The door locks, they got automatic door locks, but they're not functioning. So I'm gonna have to check the fuses and see which fuse may be blown, because none of them work. You have to manually lock them. But other than that, everything else works. And yes, we do got to put a radio into it. For some odd reason, they took the radio. This is the SUV on the back of the tow dolly. Originally requested a whole dolly that the car can go on, the whole car carrier actually, but unfortunately it didn't have it, so we had to use the tow dolly and pull it back. So that's gonna pretty much wrap up this video. I'm on the way now to return this Ford Fusion. It is something that I wouldn't buy. I'm just gonna leave it at that. And thank you guys for watching the channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Let me know what you think of the orange interior in the Ford Fusion. Let me know what you think of the Blazer, and make sure you subscribe to the channel once again, because we're gonna be rebuilding this, or at least bring it back to life, the Blazer. Well, on that, thank you guys for watching, and I will catch you on the next video.